welcome to the Python training. So in the previous video you have created several different files. The aim of the program is to enable the user to upload a file. From that file we read the data, we display the data, we allow the user to select a column. If the column is numeric, we draw the histogram. If the column is non-numeric, we draw the bar graph. So numeric data is usually represented as bar graphs, whereas histograms, whereas non-numeric data will be represented usually as bar graph. So if you are not familiar with what is histogram, what is bar graph, I recommend you go to the previous previous internships on Python and statistics, which will give you the familiarity of these topics. Now that we have our program ready, let us execute this. So first, to activate the environment, this is an important step. We have saved our files in the environment. So in the previous video we created the environment also. Now we just try Streamlit run main.py. Main.py is the opening file which has the code for the website, and everything is connected with this main.py. The other complementary functions are called from the main.py. So we will enter this. It will take a few seconds. If this is the first time you are doing Streamlit run, then it may ask you to enter the email ID. If you have done this, if this is not your first time, then it will directly open the web page and it will show you your app in execution. While it is executing the app, okay, so you will see a message like this. You can now view the app in your browser. Then you can go to the browser. Either you can copy this and open it in the browser, or automatically the browser will be open. You have to navigate to it. So here is our browser. You will see running, stop, deploy, and some further options like rerun, settings, screencast, about, clear cache, print. It will take some time while your app is loading. So meanwhile, don't forget to go back and transfer all these files to the GitHub repository. Remember, we have linked our GitHub repository. So you click on source control, you click the changes made. Now it is all in stage changes. Here this will write final app code. So this is the commit message, optional, which explains what is there in the current version of the code. Then we commit and then we sync changes. And once we do that, while it is syncing, if there are no errors, if the internet connection is good, you will need internet connection because you are transferring the code from your PC to the GitHub. Okay, so now it is successful. Then go to your GitHub account. And in this GitHub account, you can navigate to your repository. So it is this project repository. Here you will see the push recent uploads. So you do compare and pull request. You can say transferring final code and create pull request. So just we go back to the just test it once before before you put it on your GitHub. You have to test it once. It is useless to upload the wrong code. So I have a dummy data here. penguins.csv, which is shared with you as well. And these are the different columns. Okay, from these different columns I am selecting a column species which has categorical data, non-numeric data. As you can see, this is non-numeric and it has given me the bar chart. But if I select a numeric data, then it is giving me the histogram. So this is what our app was about. It is working. So now ideally now is when we put it to the GitHub, but we have already done that. So right now it is on GitHub already. So create pull request. Pull request will transfer from Pranav to the base branch, which is main. So create pull request. There will be checking ability to merge and merge pull request. Normally we add some people to the reviewers, but right now we cannot add anyone. If we have any teammates, then we will add them as reviewers and we will assign ourselves to the review also, so that any changes are there, then the other reviewers will mark those changes and we have to perform. Right now I am the only one in this, so I cannot have reviewers. I am directly merging and confirm. Then delete branch is not needed. Now what you can do is go back to the code. So in the main branch you will find that whatever code you have written, it is there now, perfectly present in our system. All the files are there, services, main, everything is there, because from Pranav branch we have transferred to the main branch. Okay, so that was it on this. We will see that we have seen that how to write code using Streamlit. Next we will see how we can deploy this as a website. So for that we continue to the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.